In primetime news this evening, another bombshell revelation at the PAAC.
And I'm just describing the messy affair of an individual who is a director of a company with the minister.
Edna Manley's sexual harassment victim to face the PAAC. Not yet. National Security Minister asserts the gains in the fight against crime will not be felt immediately.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker has our preview.
Yes, Janella, petrol prices up for a second week in a row. We'll tell you about that in the business day.
Okay, thanks Milton. And from Milton we go to Jermaine for the latest in sports. Jermaine?
Thank you, Herman. Now work with me. So, the Reggae Boys, the third straight time in the semifinals of the CONCACAF Gold Cup. And so this evening against the USA, and they'll be trying to make it to their third straight Gold Cup final. The details when we come back.
I predict a win. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, without revealing identities, have you ever experienced sexual harassment?
Okay, that's a hot one. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.